In this example, you can see that our answer choices, it's not multiple choice. We have to bubble in the answers. And too frequently, students skip these because they don't have that multiple choice option. I just want to show that these problems are not difficult to handle, especially when you can use the Nspire calculator. This problem comes from the 2018 STAR release test. It says a paper airplane was thrown from the top of a building. The height of the airplane above the ground can be found using the function and gives us our equation, where x is the time in seconds the airplane has been in the air. Question asks, how many seconds did it take for the paper airplane to reach the ground? When it reaches the ground, our height will be 0. Well, it tells us that this equation represents the height. So our y value, our y variable, represents the height. So let's incorporate our Nspire calculator. As we come over here, new doc, we're going to graph. We're going to graph the equation. It says y equals negative 0.5. It's in function notation as it appears, but we know that is the equivalent to y. 1.5x is our equation, plus 60. Enter. And I do not see anything there, so that just tells me I need to go to my menu. I need to zoom out. Just get on the center, and I'll keep pressing till I can see the graph of my equation. I want to hit escape now so I can stop the zoom feature. Okay, so now I have the graph of this, but I was looking for when my y value is going to be 0. Again, my y representing the height. So I'm going to go to menu, I'm going to go to trace, I'm going to graph trace. My y-intercept, it tells me at time 0, my height is 60. Well, when is that height? When does it hit the ground? When is my y value 0? So I'm just navigating, using my navigation key and keep hitting over till at this point I see that when x is 40, which represents the time, my height, my y value is 0. And that would be the answer to your problem.